If your new Wyze Doorbell V2 isn't ringing your existing mechanical chime, don't worry, it is almost always a configuration setting. Data shows that about 85% of these issues are resolved simply by updating the doorbell settings in the Wyze app. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to get your home ringing again. Start by ensuring your app settings are explicitly set to mechanical chime, then double-check that your chime connector is wired firmly. Common culprits include loose wire connections, insufficient transformer voltage, or simply the wrong chime type selected in the settings menu. Always power down at the breaker before checking the physical terminals to ensure your chime adapter is seated correctly. Try these software and connection fixes first, as actual hardware failure in the chime or transformer is quite rare. As you can see, the vast majority of cases are solved by software settings or simple wiring adjustments. If it still fails, use a multimeter to check for 16 volts or perform a factory reset to clear out any corrupted config. You will only need a basic screwdriver, a multimeter for voltage testing, and your smartphone to complete these steps. Remember that correct voltage is the heartbeat of your smart doorbell, so do not skip the multimeter check. Thanks for watching, and hopefully your doorbell is ringing loud and clear once again.